In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Flashloop app AI video generator for free. Whether you're creating content for fun or looking to explore the world of AI-assisted video production without breaking the bank, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease and clarity. First, let's start by talking about how you can install or access Flashloop. This app is conveniently available for download on both iOS and Android platforms. So if you have a smartphone or tablet, you can easily get started. Alternatively, if you prefer to work on a computer, you can access it via the web. Choose the option that works best for you and get ready to dive into video creation. Once you have the app, the next step is to sign up. Luckily, the app is free to download. When creating your account, know that while there are in-app purchases available, the basic features provide plenty of room for creativity. Starting with the free plan is a great way to familiarize yourself with the tool. Just keep in mind that this version might come with some limitations, like restricted credits, video quality, or export options, but it's perfect for exploring what the app has to offer. Now let's choose your input. Flashlooop gives you the flexibility to begin with whatever sparks your creativity. You could type in a text prompt, vividly describing the video concept you have in mind. If you're more visually inclined, you can opt to animate an image. This nifty image-to-video feature lets you bring still images to life, providing a fun way to craft your narrative. Once you've decided on your input, it's time to select your style, effects, and audio elements. Flashloop offers an array of style presets, effects, and sound options. You can choose background music or ambient sounds to accompany your video. Do note that the free version may have some restrictions on available effects and styles, but there's still plenty to work with to create an engaging and polished product. After setting all your options, you're ready for the exciting part, generating and previewing your video. Simply hit generate, and the AI gets to work. As you're using a free or basic account, note that the rendering speed might be a bit slower due to processing queues, so a little patience will be required here. Once the video is ready, you can preview it and see the magic of AI in action. Getting started with Flashloop's AI video generator without a financial commitment is straightforward and hugely rewarding. Follow these steps and you'll be creating your own AI-driven content in no time. Whether you're experimenting or planning a more ambitious project, the possibilities await. Enjoy exploring this creative tool.